Hello students, today we are going to see the chapter 3 perimeter and area. For example, we take a rectangular box. You have to know where is area here. Area is the surface occupied by the closed region. Look at here, it is a closed region. It has no open space. We can only find the area of the closed region only. The shaded surface is the area of this closed shape rectangle. Next we are going to see the perimeter. Perimeter is nothing but the length of the boundary of any closed shape is called the perimeter. Let us see here. This is the length of the rectangle and this is the breadth of the rectangle and this one is the another length and this one is the another breadth. The boundary is this is the boundary of the rectangle. So we can say it is the perimeter of the rectangle. Now we are going to see the area and perimeter of rectangle. This is the length and this is the length. This is the breadth and this is also the breadth of the rectangle. Area of rectangle equal to capital A is the symbol of area. Area of the rectangle equal to L into B square units. That means length into breadth square units. We have to multiply the length and breadth. Then we can get area of rectangle. Next, perimeter of rectangle capital P equal to 2 into L plus B units. You have to add the length and the breadth and then you have to multiply the value by 2. Then you will get the perimeter of rectangle. Next we are going to see the square. All the sides are equal in square. Area of the square equal to capital A equal to side into side. That means S into S square units, where S indicates one side. Next, perimeter, that means perimeter of the square equal to 4 into side units. If you multiply the side by 4, you can get the perimeter of the square. Okay, let us see the book example 1. If the length of a rectangle is 12 cm and the breadth is 10 cm, then find its perimeter. Let us see the solution. First, write the given data in the question. Length is given. Length of rectangle is given. That means 20 cm. And breadth is given. Breadth of the rectangle is 10 cm. We have to find its perimeter. Perimeter equal to what? We are going to find the perimeter of the rectangle. To find the solution, we have to write the formula of the perimeter of rectangle. Capital P equal to 2 into L plus B units. This is the formula of perimeter of rectangle. Now we have to submit the value of L and B. You have to write 2. Next, what is the value of L? L is 12 cm plus what is the value of B? B is 10 cm. You have to add these two numbers. 12 plus 10 equal to 22. Next, you have to multiply 2 and 22. 2 22s are 44 units or 44 centimeter. This is the perimeter of the rectangle. I have told you already, you have to write all the answers in words in each sum. So, in this sum, you have to write the answer in words. Let us write perimeter of the rectangle is 44 centimeter. This is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see the second example. The side of a square is 5 centimeter. Find its perimeter. First, you have to write the given data in the question. Side of a square is given. All sides are equal in square. So, S equal to 5 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter of a square. Let us see the solution. Next, we are going to see the solution. Perimeter of a square equal to 4 into S units. We know the value of S, that is 5 centimeter. Next we have to multiply 4 into 5. 4 5s are 20. So the answer is 20 centimeter. We may say this as 20 centimeter or 20 units. Therefore, the perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter. This is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see the perimeter of a triangle. We know triangle has 3 sides. Let us take one side is A, another one side is B, another one side is C. The perimeter of a triangle equal to A plus B plus C units. If you add these 3 sides, you can get the value of perimeter of triangle. Let us see the next book example. Example 3. Find the perimeter of a triangle whose sides are 3 cm, 4 cm and 5 cm. First you have to write what is given in the question. 3 sides are given. Let us take first side A equal to 3 cm. Second side B equal to 4 cm. Let us consider the third side C equal to 5 cm. We have to find the perimeter of a triangle. Let us see the solution. We know the formula of the perimeter of triangle. Capital P equal to A plus B plus C units. Let us consider it is a triangle. If you add these 3 sides, you can get its perimeter. First, write the value of the 3 sides. A is 3 and value of B is 4 and the value of C is 5. 5 plus 4 equal to 9. 9 plus 3 equal to 12. So, the perimeter of the triangle is 12 centimeter. Therefore, the perimeter of the triangle is 12 centimeter. This is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see the book example 4. Find the length of the rectangular blackboard whose perimeter is 6 meter and the breadth is 1 meter. Okay students, first you have to write given what is in the question. Read the question carefully. You can understand what is given in the question. Perimeter is given. Perimeter of rectangular blackboard is given. That is 6 meter. Next, breadth is given. B equal to 1 meter. We have to find the length of the rectangular blackboard. So find L equal to question mark because we are going to find it. Let us see the solution. We know the formula of rectangle. Let us see. Perimeter of rectangle is given. P equal to 6 meter. Let us write 6. We know the formula of the rectangle. Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. That is the perimeter of rectangle. And its value is given. It is equal to 6 meter. In the second step, you have to substitute the given values. B is given breadth B equal to 1 meter. 2 into L plus 1 equal to 6. Let us see. 2 and L plus 1 are in multiplication. So, you have to transpose these two to right side. So, L plus 1 equal to 6 by 2. Here 2 is in multiplication. When it transpose, it will become the division. So, it will become 6 by 2. We are going to divide this by second table. 1 2 is 2. 3 2s are 6. So, we got L plus 1 equal to 3. We have to find the value of the length. So, I bring this constant to right side. L equal to 3 minus 1 because here 1 is in addition. When it transpose, it will become subtraction. So, L equal to 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 equal to 2. The value of the length is 2 meter. Therefore, the length of the blackboard is 2 meter. This is the answer for this question. Next, we are going to see the book example 5. Find the side of a square shaped postal stamp of perimeter 8 centimeter. First we have to write what is given in the question. Perimeter P is given, it is equal to 8 centimeter. Next we have to find the side S equal to question mark. We are going to find it. Let us see the solution. Perimeter is given, so we have to write the formula of the perimeter of square. Perimeter of square equal to, the value is given, that is 8. We know the formula of perimeter of square, that is 4 into S. This is the formula. The value is 8. Look at here, 4 is in the multiplication with S. We are going to transpose this to right hand side. See here, S equal to 8 by 4, because it is in multiplication. The 4, it will become division when we transpose it into right hand side. Next we are going to divide this by any table if it is possible. Now I am going to use fourth table. Let us see, 1 4 is 4, 2 4s are 8. So S equal to 2 centimeter. The side is 2 centimeter. Therefore the side of a square is 2 centimeter. This is the answer for this question. Next we are going to see the sixth example. Find the side of a equilateral triangle of perimeter is 129 centimeter. Let us write what is given in the question. Perimeter is given. Perimeter capital P equal to 129 centimeter. We have to find the side of a triangle. Let us see the solution. It is given in the question, all sides are equal because it is an equilateral triangle. We know all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. Let us take all sides are A. We know the value of the perimeter of equilateral triangle capital P equal to 129 centimeter. The formula of the perimeter of equilateral triangle is A plus A plus A, because all sides are equal in equilateral triangle. So A plus A plus A equal to 129. If you add these 3A, you can get 3A. A plus A equal to 3A. 3A equal to 129. Because in every A, it has a coefficient 1. Look at here. If you add these 3, 1 plus 1 equal to 3. So 3A. Look at here. Here 3 is in multiplication. We are going to transpose this into right hand side. So it will become division. A equal to 129 divided by 3. Next you have to divide this in any table. Let us use the third table. 1 3 is 3. 4 3s are 12. 3 3s are 9. So the side of a equilateral triangle is A equal to 43 centimeter. Therefore the side of the equilateral triangle is 43 centimeter. This is the answer for this question.